All right, let's get right on into this transformation. Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Before we get started, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Hit the like button if you like this video. And hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. So like I said, today we're going to give this girl a beautiful silk press. And then she's going out on the town tonight. So we're going to give her a beautiful pinup after we silk press and curl her hair. So sit back, relax, and go ahead and enjoy this video.
Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives that needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking up like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination. Yeah. 'Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. Ooh. From the go, I was on my own. Had to find a home up in myself. Plant a seed and grow where I stood, 'cause I ain't have a shelf. And it's hard to understand when you don't know my roots. Yeah, it's hard to understand when you don't know the truth. Cause we all got some shit that we don't like to mention. And the things that keep me up, they made me who I am, yeah. So I can never sit back, say that I regret it. Every ounce of pain I felt became a lesson. I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. Cause I'm more than any judgment. I'm more than who I was, yeah. I got all these dimensions. I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. But sometime, you the first one made my heartbeat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. I need a little bit of love from you. I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow. Run from you. Or we can let the war start for us two. Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, it breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Or we can let the guns blow. I must admit I had no worries, doubts or reservations. Since an early age I became one with devastation. Took you hostage and I saved you with no hesitation. They wanna stop it, but what's true don't need no explanation. Falling for you was a bad idea. Guess I've been bad, guess I've been bad. Maybe we can get away from here. Never go back, we'll never go back. Love from you. I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow. Run from you. Or we can let the war start for us two. Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, it breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Or we can let the guns blow. We be going through these same old things every time. When I stop communicating, you hit in my line, asking about my whereabouts and if you still are mine. But I don't want to hear your questions, you just waste my time. Like where you at, how you been, are you solo or with him? Can we just chill for a minute? We don't need to do nothing, but when you around I can't seem to get you off me. Don't care about my mind, baby, you just want my body. And I don't got time to fuck with players that's just corny. I need someone real who gon' let me go support me. Yeah, you know that I only roll with real ones, not the type to front or make me feel dumb. Cause I got aspirations, baby, real ones. So you know I can only roll with real ones. You know that I only roll with real ones. Not the type to front or make me feel dumb. Cause I got aspirations, baby, real ones. So you gon' have to prove that you a real one, real one.
Alright, superstars, so this is the final look. I want to thank you guys for watching. And the reason why I curl her whole head is because when she does eventually take down her pin up, she will still have curls. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. Hit that like and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Hope to see you guys in future, past, and present videos. Love you guys. Bye.
Treat me right, give me better days. Put aside your pride when I feel a certain way about the way we were communicating.